Powered digital marketing. With the rise in technology, businesses have access to more data than ever. But with this wealth of information comes a new set of challenges. How do you make sense of it all? And how do you use it to deliver personalized, effective marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience? The answer lies in artificial intelligence. In recent years, artificial intelligence, i.e., in digital marketing, has emerged as a game changer. By leveraging the power of machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, and predictive analytics, businesses can now deliver more personalized and effective marketing campaigns than ever before. From chatbots and virtual assistants to personalized product recommendations and targeted advertising, the possibilities of AI in marketing are endless. Powered marketing is not just a buzzword. It's a reality that businesses need to embrace to stay ahead of the curve. In this blog post, we'll explore how AI is transforming the future of digital marketing and how businesses can harness this technology to improve their marketing strategies and boost their bottom line. Let's dive in. Benefits of AI in marketing. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the field of marketing by providing businesses with powerful tools. Here are some of the key benefits of AI in marketing. Creating personalized experiences with AI. The key benefit of AI-powered marketing is its ability to deliver personalized experiences to consumers. By analyzing data such as browsing and purchase history, demographics, and even social media activity, AI can help businesses create highly personalized marketing campaigns that are tailored to each consumer's interests and preferences. It can lead to increased engagement, higher conversion rates, and ultimately, greater customer loyalty. For example, Amazon uses AI-powered recommendation engines to suggest products to customers based on their browsing and purchase history. It not only makes the shopping experience more convenient and efficient for customers, but also increases the likelihood that they will make a purchase. Targeted advertising. Targeted advertising is a crucial aspect of modern marketing strategies, and AI has significantly improved its effectiveness. AI can help marketers identify the most relevant audience for their campaigns, making them more effective and efficient. By using machine learning algorithms, AI can also continuously optimize ad campaigns to improve their performance. By analyzing vast amounts of data from various sources such as customer profiles, social media activity, browsing history, and purchase behavior, AI algorithms can identify the most relevant audience for a particular campaign. This level of accuracy ensures that marketing messages are delivered to the right people, increasing the likelihood of conversion and maximizing the return on investment. In addition to identifying the target audience, I can also help marketers optimize ad campaigns continuously. Machine learning algorithms can analyze the performance of an ad campaign in real time, identifying patterns and trends, and making necessary adjustments to maximize its impact. By using historical data and predictive analytics, AI can also anticipate the success of future campaigns and provide insights into potential areas of improvement. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Chatbots and virtual assistants are AI-powered tools that have revolutionized the customer service industry. They are computer programs designed to simulate human conversation, providing customers with quick and efficient solutions to their queries and problems. These tools have become increasingly popular due to their ability to provide 24/7 customer support and assistance, improving customer satisfaction and reducing the workload of customer service teams. Chatbots and virtual assistants use natural language processing, NLP, to understand and respond to customer queries. They can handle multiple queries simultaneously, reducing the wait time for customers and improving the efficiency of customer service operations. Additionally, they can provide customers with personalized recommendations and solutions based on their purchase history and browsing behavior, increasing customer engagement and loyalty. Marketing automation. Marketing automation is the use of software and technology to automate repetitive marketing tasks, such as email campaigns, social media posting, and data analysis. By leveraging AI, marketing automation can take these routine tasks to the next level, providing marketers with the ability to create more targeted and personalized campaigns. AI-driven digital marketing can automate the process of creating and sending email campaigns, allowing marketers to set up triggers and personalized messages based on customer behavior, such as purchases or abandoned carts. Additionally, I can analyze social media activity and identify the best times to post and engage with customers, increasing engagement and reach. Data analysis is another area where AI can improve marketing automation. AI algorithms can analyze large data sets and provide valuable insights into customer behavior, preferences, and trends. By identifying patterns and trends, AI can help marketers make informed decisions about their campaigns, improving their effectiveness and ROI. Competitive advantage. By leveraging the power of AI marketing strategy, businesses can gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace, reaching more customers, improving efficiency, and achieving better results than their competitors. This is because businesses can gain insights into customer behavior and preferences that would otherwise be difficult to uncover. With this information, businesses can create more targeted and personalized marketing campaigns, improving the effectiveness of their efforts and increasing customer loyalty. Additionally, AI-powered automation can help businesses save time and resources, allowing them to focus on more strategic initiatives and stay ahead of their competitors. Also, the power of AI in marketing is seen to help businesses gain valuable insights into market trends and customer preferences, allowing them to adjust their strategies and stay ahead of the curve. This can be particularly important in industries where trends and customer preferences are constantly changing. AI in voice search optimization. AI has had a significant impact on voice search optimization, which involves optimizing content for search queries made using voice-enabled devices like smartphones, smart speakers, and digital assistants. With the increasing popularity of these devices, businesses need to ensure that their content is optimized for voice search to reach a wider audience and remain competitive in the marketplace. One way I can help with voice search optimization is by analyzing voice search queries to identify patterns and trends. This can help businesses understand what types of questions users are asking and what types of content they are searching for. By using this information, businesses can create content that is more likely to appear in voice search results and provide users with the information they are looking for. Wrapping up. Indeed, AI-powered digital marketing is not just a buzzword anymore, but a reality that businesses need to embrace to remain competitive in the marketplace. With the increasing amount of data available and the ever-changing customer preferences and behavior, businesses need to leverage the power of AI digital marketing agencies to stay ahead of the curve. The future of digital marketing is powered by AI, and businesses that embrace AI in their marketing strategies will gain a significant competitive advantage, reaching more customers, improving efficiency, and achieving better results than their competitors.